Uptown Swing.
Naomi, Peter, level 4, Throwback Thursday. We started with a little review.
This is the recap
from last week,
okay.
where we did Savoy kicks in Charleston. But this week, we put them as a variation in our swing out.
On a whim, like fools. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Hey. It's not easy.
Then we did a quick stop drop.
That's correct. We did do a quick stop drop. So
1, 2, 3, and 4. Direction,
5,
rotation,
6, 7.
pay.
Hitting that thing.
And last but not least, we did the
old
2000s Fakeroo tuck turn,
Think
which
of
was
this
very
as the
fun.
Finny and Makepeace special. So instead of just a normal tuck turn here, nice and round, I go rock, step, psych. Hey, we used to do that all the time when we thought we were so awesome.
And we were.
So right, girl.